Okay, 2021 is going to clean up all the 2020 issues, right? Okay, so far so great. No. Anywho, let's leave. So what do you think the future holds? If we look at technological advancements that are being introduced in response to COVID-19, we can actually get a picture of what our future may look like. Yes, it's time for a view of the future. First off, a post-pandemic world will most likely focus on technologies that are designed to minimize person-to-person contact. Of course, Zoom, Teams, Webex, GotoMeeting have all surged in popularity. And gatherings like conferences have been replaced, to a point, by virtual gatherings. Our normal shopping? Groceries with automatic checkouts and curbside service, no contact necessary. And expect those technologies to grow and expand and become more available even for walk-ins. For when you're out of cowbell. I can't do Christopher Walken, I'm sorry. Anyway, then there's telemedicine. More testing kits, remote monitoring, virtual appointments with remote doctors. You want to know how much closer you are to diabetes after eating those breakfast waffles? Waffles? Anyway, check the tech. A medical professional would still need to properly interpret the data, and you would need to renew your own subscriptions to outdated magazines, for your own at-home waiting room. Finally, Hong Kong is already combating the spread of COVID-19 with, I kid you not, disinfecting robotic assistants. They're patrolling subway trains. They spray hydrogen peroxide in aerosol form and flash strong UV lights, just like you've always wanted to. There's a bottom line question here. How do we maintain the same level of interaction, including commerce, while minimizing the social person-to-person interaction? And the answer to a lot of this is technology. So what technology do you expect will emerge from 2021? Besides at-home toilet paper presses, because that's my idea. Make your predictions in the comments below.